I came out here and saw the horses and the rabbit hanging out. I think the rabbit's over there somewhere. Can y'all see him? Yeah, there he is. He's hanging out. He likes to hang out and eat by the horses. Moki was out here earlier. That crazy rabbit at? There he is. All right, I'll add this in. I thought I heard somebody shooting out here. I didn't know where it was coming from. Look at Ransom. He's like, dude, they're shooting at us. Should we run? But he's like, hey, I'm eating. I threw him a little bit of alfalfa out there, so they're probably snacking. Probably the rabbit's snacking on it too a little bit. I just saw the boys drinking together. I came out of the garage. They were getting a snack together. Nobody saw me. They're drinking out of the same little water bucket share like the little boys. A lot of times Buddy don't like his butt to the wind, so he'll move out there and spin. Alright. Drinking together. Drove up and saw the boys. Look at them, they're pretty cute. Standing down there in a little shed together. How cute is that? What are you little boys doing? You guys are good boys under your little shed. You guys are good boys. Beat that horse like a redheaded stepchild. Why are you knocking over that tree bush, boy? So you see Ransom standing next to his little tree. He hasn't knocked his over. See the one next to Buddy that's knocked over? Look at him. So I trimmed this tree, and I had all these long branches. So I was like, you know what? I'll just stick them in the fence. It'll strengthen them up, and it'll hold them till they dry out. Then when they get really dry, I'll use them as tinder for the firewood. So I just shoved them in the tree. Well, it didn't take long for Buddy to come over and knock this one down. Why are you knocking that down, boy? Why can't you leave things alone? Why? I swear. So this was still straight. They'll probably all be knocked down by the morning. I'm gonna beat you like a redheaded stepchild. Why? That was straight up and down, and you knocked it down. You're in big trouble. You leave that up. Don't make me come out here and beat you. He ain't gonna leave it alone. So because it's new, they had to come over and check it out. Like, hey, what's this stuff on the fence? Hi, little Ransom. What are you doing? They just had a little apple. So if they look hungry, they're not hungry. I just gave them an apple. They're just acting like I never feed them. Are you hiding behind that tree? Where's Buddy? Where's Buddy? Buddy! Where's he at? Buddy, I can't see him. He's behind a tree. There's Buddy. Now I see him. What are you doing? Crazy mule. All right, I'll add this in somewhere. Crazy court. Look, a little Buddy out there. Little Ransom's over here. Sleeping, the sun's out. Buddy's like, Dad, it's been so cold. I haven't slept on the ground in so long. He was a muddy mess. He went out and rolled somewhere. But he's relaxing out there. Little Ransom doesn't know herd behavior. He's supposed to be standing over there watching over Buddy. He's too far away. Buddy's like, stupid horse. Supposed to be watching me. All right, well, in there, I'll slide this in somewhere. I'm out here walking. It's getting really nice today. It's supposed to get 70. And then tomorrow, freaking cold front's coming through. Tonight, it's going to be a wind chill of 0. And I think a regular temperature of maybe 28 or 27 with the wind chill. I'm like, but right now, of course, the sun's out. The boys are out there eating. And they're going to be sweating and probably start shedding their fur. And then the big freeze is coming in tonight. Some crazy Texas weather. I like walking out here and seeing these boys just eating together, though. They're all just kind of hanging around, chewing and eating. I don't know if I covered the choking incident of the little donkey. Y'all have to remind me if I cover that. I'm kind of happy the little donkey's around. I thought we lost him. He had a bad choking thing. I saw him in a pasture. Snot running out his nose and everything. And I called the owner and they called a vet and they came out and took care of him. Anyway, I'll slide this in somewhere. The sun before the big freeze. I'll tell you, man. It's crazy. It's crazy, I tell you, it's crazy. I got crazy horses, crazy mules. He's like, whatever, Dad. Here comes Buddy. Ransom got to the drinking water first. Let's see what Buddy does. Oh shit, Ransom already drank and left. I threw some hay out there. Maybe Ransom found it. Hopefully Buddy will get a drink before he sees. Here comes Buddy. Crap, he didn't get a drink because he saw the hay. I just gave him a little bit of grain, and the grain usually makes him drink. The sun really started melting some stuff, but it's still freaking cold out here. It ain't melted that ice off those tree branches. There's some pretty heavy duty ice on that tallest branch right there. That branch has some good ice on it. They're eating the hay, even though they just ate the grain. That crazy cat has this whole house to go lay in. And I come up here to work on a computer and he's sitting there like that. So now I feel bad because I have to kick him off. Sorry, Moki. You got to get off. Hey, I'm talking to you, boy. You better get off that chair. I'll beat your butt. That's it. I'm getting a switch. Damn cat, don't listen. All right, well, I'll add this in somewhere. Moki's typing on the computer. He's got this whole place to lay. And he gets on the computer and he lays on it. So he's pressing all these keys. He's probably deleting all my files. Probably sending threats to the president from my computer. Every time he moves, the computer like starts moving and doing all kind of crazy stuff. That crazy cat. I swear. Why can't you lay somewhere else? Why do you have to lay on a computer? He probably just bought a whole bunch of crap on eBay. Probably ordered Amazon stuff. Crazy cat. Man, it's really cold out here. So this northwest wind came in. And when I fed the horses, all the hay blew back on my side. So I put some on the other side for Belle. And now Buddy's kind of being possessive of it. Even though it's all blown back over here. Him and Ransom are eating, but I was kind of surprised that he wouldn't let Belle eat with him. If she gets too close, he's kind of, man, that freaking wind is like 30 miles an hour. I think it got like 40 last night, 40 miles an hour. Temperature's only like 30 or 31, but with that wind, it's just freaking cold. The bunny rabbit's water froze because it was out in the open, but the water under that little cover, it did not freeze. It's amazing how that cover really stops water from freezing. Covering your water really helps, but maybe putting it on concrete or rubber mats for insulation also, I don't know. But I was just watching Buddy. I came out here to see if they had finished eating. And all that, see, look at Buddy. He's like, hey, don't get too close. I'm kind of surprised. And all that hay was on the other side, but it blew back over here. I like set on the other side of the fence, but that damn wind is coming so strong, it kept blowing it back for these guys. So you notice Buddy's got all the hay that blew over, and Ransom's kind of picking on the side there. They're not starving. I mean, you know, I figure Belle's a lot more hungry than these guys. These guys are freaking eating all the time. But the little donkey and the other one already had their little snack and left. As the wind dies down, I'll go throw another little flake out there so they can kind of share it and I can get some over the fence for them. Man, it's freaking cold. All right, I'm gonna go inside. I'll click this in somewhere.